everyone, welcome to Tummy Treats. Today we are going to make one of the most famous Punjabi snack, that is stuffed bread pakoda. You may serve it as a breakfast or a tea time snack. It's perfect for everyone's heart for food and also easy to prepare. Let's start with the stuffing. I took 3 boiled potatoes and finely mashed it using a fork. Adding salt to taste, about a half tablespoon of chaat masala, 1/3 tablespoon of cumin powder, a quarter tablespoon of black salt, 1/3 tablespoon of chili powder, finely chopped green chilies, chopped onions, chopped coriander leaves, and 1/3 tablespoon of tamarind pulp goes in. You may use lemon juice instead. Mixing them all well evenly, and then our stuffing is ready. Spread the stuffing onto the bread slice like a thin layer, covering the entire surface as shown. Take another slice of bread and spread the green chutney on it. Check out our channel for the recipe of green chutney. Stick both the bread slices and tap them tightly to avoid any breakages while deep frying them. I'm cutting the bread slices into halves. You may cut them as of your choice. Set them aside so that the bread absorbs any water remains in the stuffing. Meanwhile, we make batter for deep frying. I took half cup of besan or gram flour. For seasoning, adding salt to taste, red chili powder, a pinch of turmeric, half tablespoon of ajwain or carom seeds, quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a mix so that all the spices we have added are evenly spreaded. Adding a little water a while, mix the batter without any lumps. The consistency should be neither runny nor hard. Heating oil of your choice to its boiling point. And now carefully dip the slices into the batter and coat them well on all sides. Drop it into the oil and fry it evenly on medium-high flame for 1 minute on each side. Turn it to the other side only after 1 minute. It's done with the other side too, and holding it as shown to fry the sides as well. Our pakodas turn to golden brown, and you may feel the crispy texture of it, and it's time to take it out. Serve it hot with ketchup or any sauce of your choice, but green chutney makes a great combo. It's definitely gonna be a treat for your family and friends. Try it yourself and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.